And the Progress spacecraft launching today is carrying over 5,500 pounds of cargo for the station's residents. A total breakdown of some of that cargo that includes 1,825 pounds of fuel, 926 pounds of water, 1,365 pounds of food, and the next largest number is 866 pounds of spare parts. We also have hygiene equipment, science equipment, oxygen and air, and medical supplies all flying to the station today. The service platform at Launch Pad 31 was recently repaired following the Soyuz MS-28 launch in November last year. As reported by Roscosmos, more than 150 employees of Senki, which is part of Roscosmos, and representatives of 4 contracting organizations completed the installation in just over 2 months. Currently living and working aboard the International Space Station are the Expedition 74 crew, consisting of the astronauts that arrived aboard Crew 12. That would be NASA Jessica Meir, Jack Hathaway, ESA astronaut Sophie Adano, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Andrei Fedyaev, all at the top of your screen. They are at the station with the crew that arrived aboard Soyuz MS-28, which is NASA astronaut Chris Williams in the center of your screen, and Roscosmos cosmonauts Sergei Mikhaev and Sergei Kutsverchkov. It's been a busy time aboard the International Space Station. The ISS Progress 93 thrusters fired at 11:58 a.m. Central Time on Friday, March 13th for 10.5 minutes in a reboost maneuver to set up the correct phasing for the upcoming launch and docking of the Progress 94 cargo craft. That reboost increased the station's altitude by a half mile at apogee, or highest point of its orbit, and 9/10 of a mile at perigee, the lowest point of its orbit, leaving the lab in an orbit of 266.2 by 257.7 statute miles.
Есть переход блока 3 ступени на бортовое питание. Есть отрыв шел блока 3 ступени. Есть замок. Есть мачта 20. Есть отрыв холодный пневмоколодок блока.
And there you have retraction of the first umbilical, second one coming up at T-minus 12 seconds before liftoff. Engine start commanded. Ignition. Turbo pumps are coming up to flight speed. And liftoff of the 94th Progress resupply vehicle en route with 2.7 tons of cargo to the International Space Station. Confirmation that all parameters are normal and the flight has begun as expected. We have a good roll, yaw, and pitch of the spacecraft. We are standing by for max Q, maximum dynamic pressure on the spacecraft. And coming up 1 minute and 58 seconds after launch will be first stage shutdown and separation. Those strap-on solid rocket boosters will fall away. Continuing to get good calls for the spacecraft that everything is normal. Now 70 seconds into the launch, again coming up, we are standing by for first stage shutdown and separation.
Двигатели первой и второй ступеней работают нормально. 100. Параметры конструкции ракеты-носителя в норме. 110. Тангаж, рысканье, вращение в норме. 120.
And we have confirmation of first stage shutdown and separation. Those strap-on solid rocket boosters visible as they fall away from the Soyuz rocket. The spacecraft traveling about 4,500 miles per hour. Next major milestone comes up in about 3 minutes and 3 seconds after launch when the launch shroud is jettisoned. And this view coming from the Russian Mission Control Center in the town of Koryov outside of Moscow. That was an animation you saw. Confirmation of launch shroud jettison. Again, coming about 3 minutes and 3 seconds after launch. The spacecraft traveling about 5,200 miles per hour. Continuing to get good calls that the second stage is performing as planned. This view coming from an external camera on the Progress spacecraft as it continues its flight, that second stage, continuing to get good reports. Continuing to get good calls coming from the Russian Mission Control Center. We have had second stage shutdown and separation and third stage ignition. Now over 5 minutes since liftoff.
The vehicle is
spacecraft being reported as stable and nominal, all things continuing to go as planned. Again, now 5 minutes and 30 seconds since launch this morning, and the spacecraft traveling over 9,300 miles per hour. We expect third stage to cut off in less than 30 seconds now. Continuing to get good calls and standing by for a third stage shutdown. Confirmation of third stage shutdown and spacecraft separation as you saw on your screen. Progress is separated from the Soyuz spacecraft. We've received all nominal reports